Hong Kong has become the world's ninth most expensive location for expatriates, rising 17 places from last year's position according to an annual day-to-day cost of living survey by London-based human resource consultancy ACA International. China's top city led the pack in Asia, with Hong Kong ranking third behind Shanghai and Beijing. The consultancy ranked Hong Kong as the 12th most expensive city for expatriates to live in, with Shanghai the most expensive station in Asia in a June 2015 report. Just a month earlier, global consulting firm Mercer ranked Hong Kong as the second most expensive city in the world for expatriates, second only to Angolan capital Luanda in terms of the property market, as well as the inflation of goods and services, while Shanghai ranked 6th and Beijing 7th. Inflation rates for the next year are expected to dip to their lowest levels in 5 years, with the Hong Kong General Chamber of Commerce pegging 2016's average annual inflation at 2.5%. Upward inflation experienced in October came from housing, meals bought away from home, groceries, miscellaneous goods and services, alcoholic drinks, and tobacco. On the other side, downward trends were seen in utilities such as electricity, gas and water prices, durable goods, clothing, and footwear. As for transport, the Composite Consumer Price Index rose by 0.5%. It's well known housing takes up a significant portion of living expenses, with nearly half of monthly wages spent on rentals and mortgages, according to crowdsourced cost of living website Numbeo.com. Relief may be on the way, with DTZ Cushman and Wakefield predicting downward trends on home prices and retail rents. Optimism over a dip in property prices has been tempered with some pretty gloomy outlooks for Hong Kong's coming economic performance, with more than half of respondents in an Association of Chartered Certified Accountants study believing poor economic performance will hit business revenues. With economic growth set to hit 2 to 3% next year, the Accountants Association believes a continued decline in economic competitiveness will remain. A clear trend has emerged, yet rankings should be taken with a grain of salt, with differing methodologies and metrics yielding different results, such as Hong Kong's rise to second place in the International Institute for Management Development World Competitive Yearbook 2015, placing the Special Administrative Region behind the US but ahead of Singapore and Switzerland, while mainland China claimed one spot to 22 in the Swiss study.